Hey guys, Allison here with Novus Home Mortgage. We oftentimes have clients come and talk to us about pre-approval and they're a little nervous because the initial cost of getting into a home, having down payment, maybe paying for some closing costs, is more expensive than the initial commitment to renting a place where maybe you only need 1 month down payment or a small security deposit. The biggest difference is the stability in your monthly payment when you're owning a home versus if you're renting, there is maybe no stability. For example, the largest landlord in the United States alone has said that last year their rents increased 14% just in the last 12 months. But that's not all. They're also planning to raise rents over the next 12 months by 6%. That is a huge uptick of a variable that you're not sure about in your monthly finances versus possibly owning something. So if this is something that you're thinking about getting into, but maybe you don't have the closing costs or some of those upfront fees are intimidating to you, please connect with us. We'd love to see if there's a program that we can help you into where some of those out-of-pocket things aren't as expensive. Allison here, thanks for watching.